Hi everyone, and welcome to a new episode of 360 with Pat. In today's episode, we will demystify what nutrients are, and by the end of this video, you will know the pros and cons of everything you eat. Nutrition is made of macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients consist of protein, carbohydrates, fat, and fibers. Micronutrients consist of vitamins, minerals, and the building blocks of the macronutrients. So what's the difference between the different nutrients? Carbohydrates, also known as carbs, consist of complex or simple sugars. Glucose is the simplest sugar, while starch and glycogen constitute complex carbs. Fibers are a type of carbs that we as humans cannot digest. We will come to that in another video capsule. The common thing between carbs and fat is that both of them are sources of pure energy. Now, on the other hand, proteins constitute the building blocks of life. It takes proteins to build cells in our body and to repair and maintain cells in our body. That is the main difference between proteins, carbs, and fat. Carbs and fat are pure fuel to be burned to generate energy. Protein can be used as a source of fuel, as we will see in future videos, but their essential function is to actually repair, consolidate, and build our cells. Your hair is made of protein, your blood cell is made of protein, your skin cell is made of protein, your muscle cell is made of protein, your hormones are made of proteins. So cutting down on one of the three essential macronutrients is a big mistake because the body needs the three of them to properly function. It's all about the ratio at which we consume each and every one of them. Too much energy consumed will result in energy being stored in our bodies under the forms of fat. Too much proteins consumed, and the excess will also be converted into fat. No protein at all, we will seriously jeopardize our body. As we said, protein is required to build and repair our cells. If we do not consume enough proteins, our body will turn to our muscle cells, will break them down to utilize the amino acids in order to carry on with its physiological functions. Too much fat, besides gaining on weight, will result in a bad buildup in our arteries. Too much carbs will affect our insulin response and we might get pre-diabetic, while the excess of it is also stored as body fat. So as we have just seen, not enough nutrients to our body will cause damages, as well as too much of them will cause damages. It's all about finding the right balance between energy consumption and cell buildup and repair, combined with calorie intake and the proper exercise regimen in order for you to reach different body composition goals. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date, and until then, stay strong.